My goodness.
For mixed reality to really succeed, we need great content.
What is especially fascinating for me in photogrammetry is the fact that you can take real material world and people into digital world, and I like it much more than things.
Flip over, and you can see this really detailed 3D model processed just by videos taken by a smartphone.
Hi, I'm Suzanoslin. I'm a UX designer, and I was excited about this project because of the possibility of photogrammetry and what AI could add to it in the future. And I was really excited to work on this project and just see how far we could push the technology in its limited stage, and thinking ahead about the possibility of creating memories that are not only like 3D, that you can immerse yourself in the environment, but also how AI might, you know, recreate somebody's personality someday, teach it to, and then you're actually interacting with that person or animal that's no longer here.
I've been working with my team, I guess helping them put together their idea. That's it.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I haven't slept for at least 36 hours. I lost track, but I'm super excited for this photogrammetry idea. I just learned to pronounce this word, but it's opening so many doors to the potential VR, AR world that we all hope for. And like when we're busy creating all those objects, there are many objects around us, and they can all be used. So I'm really excited, and that's it.